Okay, so today we're gonna help you how to choose a flash drive. You might think that it's just a capacity and then you'll go and grab one from Amazon or anywhere you want, with little exception that this is totally wrong. You should be careful with the body and the company that makes these. So we'll first start with the right or left. This one. So this is a generic one. They were giving away these in a university ceremony or something like that we were. It's an 8 gigabyte regular flat flash drive, and this one is a Kingston drive, sliding ones like this, which you can see right now. It just slides, pops up, and then goes in. This one rotates and then opens like this, or even from this side, doesn't matter. This one has a cap on it. This is pretty standard. This one is a bit different. It's kind of the wrist flash drive where you put it on wrist and then lock it like that and you can go and walk. So now let's choose which one is the best. So first, in the durability test, this one failed because any hits while it's plugged in, any hits or any kind of movement causes this to just pop up, and then if the chipset inside would damage, all your data is gone. So this one is you can use it still, but be careful. If it has a metallic body, then it's definitely good to use, and it's also very lightweight and thin. So next one is also this one. This one is okay, but it just slips off very easily. So if you have some kind of you see a weird type of flash that you want to buy, you can buy, but be careful that it wouldn't be a scam or it wouldn't be hard to use it or something. And now the standard one also has the same problem. This one has a click sound, if you can hear it. So you got a bit of click sound. It means that it's not as fixed as it was before. So if you're gonna, if you have plugged it in or something like that, if you push it hard or something, it's gonna break. So this is also okay, but not as good as the others. This one is also good, except the same problem that this one has, but this one is more durable against when the cover is on, so it cannot break or the head cannot come off when the head is on. So this one is also good. I think the best one that passed this test is this one, because this one would slide in when you don't need it. It's also durable. You can throw it anywhere you want. It won't break, and it has a big size, I know, but it gets the job done. And I think from the protection side, this one is the best. Make sure that your brand they're using it's good. Don't go for a generic brand because they might use a bad chipset that will go over a year, which will make your data be lost. So brands like Emission, brands like I forgot the name. What was it? We had Emission. So brands like Kingston, Emission, SanDisk are all good brands. Make sure that the head that you're choosing is always metallic and the head is not loosened or something like this one. And don't go for plastic heads. I broke some flash drives, 64 gigabytes, and I see the problem. I paid so much money and it just broke off after 3 days of usage because it was plastic. So always go for metallic ones, and the overall quality should be good. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, leave a comment below if you have any other questions. If you want to choose a flash drive, post the link or something else. I'll check it out and tell you whether to buy it or not. Thanks.